Hello, hello, hi everyone. Anyone there online? Hi Komal, hi Sumitra, hi Tejaswini, hi Aditi. How are you all? Hi Komal. Meet Jigna, she's from Bangalore. We have done a bridal look today. Hi Rava. And she's looking so pretty. Show your eyes, close your eyes. Yeah. Yes, I'm from Bangalore. बैक लुक दिखाओ. ओके दिखाएंगे थोड़ी देर में. चिकना कैसा लगा मेकअप?
मेकअप वाज सुपर.
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था मेरे साथ आपका?
Yeah, so she is very talented makeup artist, and she knows well bridal based on my skin tone, everything, and very well talented. So as experience, I can say is like when I see in my face in my
हिंदी में बोल दो. आपको अब खुद का जब आप मेकअप करते हो और फिर मैंने जब मेकअप आपको किया है, आपको डिफरेंस पता चल रहा है?
काफ़ी है. एक्चुअली मेरा मेकअप और प्रोफेशनल में काफ़ी एच डी मेकअप जो फील आ रहा है, लुक आ रहा है, वो काफ़ी
अच्छा. ओके.
और स्पेशली आई मेकअप इज लाइक वेरी मच प्रीटी. दिस इज फर्स्ट टाइम सीइंग दिस मेकअप फॉर.
यस रावा, शी इज जिग्ना ओनली. वो पूछ रही जिग्ना ही है ये. This is the complete look. This is her outfit only. It's so pretty. Work इतना अच्छा है इस outfit का. Thank you. Nice nail paint. So this is the mess after the makeup. इतना सारा प्रोडक्ट यूज होता है तो फिर ये आउटकम आता है. Stand. Turn around. पीछे घूमो. Turn around. पूरा घूमो. Yeah. Very nice. Come. Hi Preeti. This is Jigna from Bangalore. We are doing a session today with her. This is a bridal look. Semi-bridal, I can say. She didn't want it very heavy because she has a plan to go out in the evening. So we'll be changing a different outfit in the evening. Jigna, पीछे घूमो. You can see we have used extension with curls. It looks so real. Chalo then guys, time to go. I'll wrap up. It was lovely coming live. Thank you Sangha Vira, sorry I cannot pronounce your name. Veera Ramaya. So guys, if you want to book a session with me, please do it fast. I'm also planning a Gangama Yatra for next month. If you guys are interested, you can let me know. Okay then, take care all of you. Bye bye.